Library Orientation, Part 2, Databases. In this video, we will talk about the recommended library databases for your class assignments. You should be on the class page of the online library guide. It's under Step 2, Library Now. Go to ENG24, Ellis Composition 2. You will see the middle section with the header Recommended Databases. Under this, you will see different tabs, each one labeled for the type of databases. Since your professor wants you to look for primary and secondary sources, it is important to know the differences between the two. Please watch the video under Watch Me first. After the video, click on the second tab here for Databases Primary Sources. You will see 5 databases listed with their descriptions. Select the database by clicking on the database link. I will go into American History Online for demonstration. As you see, it is taking me automatically to the login screen for my CUNY login credentials. If you don't remember this, please go back to the slide from the Learning module for first-time users. After I enter in my own CUNY ID, if there isn't any problem with the login, you will arrive at the landing page for American History Online. Here in the database, the first thing you will likely notice is a search box somewhere on the page, usually up top as here. Enter into the search box what you're looking to find, such as keywords for your topic, person, event, place, etc. As a rule, the more general your keywords, the more results you will get. If you want more relevant results, therefore, my tip is to type in at least a couple of keywords to draw more connection to your topic. Here, as an example, I want to see what primary sources there are for Phyllis Dean. The database groups the results into tabs, with the first being articles. Click on the second tab for primary sources. There are only 2 results here. Click on the first one, Letter to Congress on Contributions to the War Effort. It shows the content of this letter. Notice the tools provided for students in this database. They are right under the title. It is important while doing your research to know where the tools and helpful links are. Save, print, and download are self-explanatory. One the students need to know about is the citation generator. It's here, Citation. Select to see the citation for the source under your citation style, MLA. Highlight it and use your mouse to do a copy and paste to your document. At this point, you should have an idea of how to use a database to search for any topic. Again, use the tabs to select the type of sources you need, then click on the database. As a search strategy, I recommend if you don't already have background information for your topic, it is best to begin with databases for topic overviews. Go into either database and gather information about Phyllis Dean, for example. Then visit a database for secondary sources to search for what has been written about him from the academic community. Finally, when you're well familiar with this figure in history, you can look for primary sources on him, getting into your own historical analysis of the character. This ends Part 2 of the orientation. Please go to the next video now.